Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1/24 scale diecast model of Chevy Silverado 2017 by Motormax. So if you want to buy this, I'll provide the purchase link of this model in the description of this video. It will cost you nearly $15. If you're not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see the making of this miniature house, you can click the video on this screen or in the description. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel for more videos like this, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.